waste your time, because if this time is important, yeah, good morning, good morning, yeah, negative, don't ever have this negative thought. Just try to remove it away from your mind, because already we are going through a crucial era. एक pandemic है ये, and stay safe, stay indoors. That is the only thing which again and again we are telling you. And क्या है, yes, good novel. देखो, good novel है, first you start from short stories. Short stories by O. Henry's, short stories by Guy de Maupassant, जो अभी नेकलेस पढ़ोगे तो फ्रेंच राइटर. Short stories by Ruskin Bond. Yeah, Ruskin Bond. So today we are again going to read a story, a very simple but very short, sweet story by Ruskin Bond. I think you all know about Ruskin Bond. Last year, who will tell me that you have read one story by Ruskin Bond? Do you remember that story? Interesting one. Who will tell me? No one remembers. I'm reading Three Men in a Boat. Very good, very good. Three Men in a Boat, A Story of My Life. These are the books which you can start as a beginner. Later on, you can move to other classics. Biographies, My Experiments with Truth, Mahatma Gandhi, Discovery of India. So many books are there.
Ma'am,
Roadblock take
Wings
it.
of Fire.
Yes, Adventure of Toto. Yeah, Wings of Fire, Ignited Minds. So many books are there which you can go through. Adventure of Toto. You remember? From Moments, your supplementary reader, the second story, a mischievous one, a humorous story. Yeah, because Ruskin Bond usually is known for his children's book, okay? And he's still alive, lives in Missouri. If ever you get an opportunity to go to Missouri, you will see that on Saturdays, I was just going through, I was just trying to find it out about that. Every Saturday, he's coming to Mall Road, where he is meeting people. He is giving his autograph, discussing, having conversation regarding his books. So wonderful opportunity this is for you, but not now. Obviously, not now. So Ruskin Bond, he's very famous, British descent ka hai wo, we all know, and he has written many short stories. So you can also start for a beginner. And once you are through with these books, then you can move to novels. First, you start with small novels, inspirational novels, and thereafter you can go to some good story books. Okay, it's up to you which genre you like. Genre समझते हो ना, क्या किस तरह के novels तुम्हें पसंद है? जैसे मुझे ना बायोग्राफीज, ऑटोबायोग्राफीज बहुत पसंद है, या फिर एडवेंचर. ओके, देन शर्लक होम्स, आर्थर कैनन डायल पढ़ सकते हो, आगे था क्रिस्टी पढ़ सकते हो, बट नॉट नाउ. You start with short stories because you have to keep a lot of patience while going through, and then simultaneously you can enrich your vocabulary also. लेकिन हाँ, ये जरूर है कि अगर बार बार डिक्शनरी देखोगे तो it will spoil the beauty of that work. So you have to understand. कोशिश करो कि लाइन में जो वो वर्ड है उससे उसको समझो, and then note it down somewhere else. And whenever you get time, take out a little time to enriching your vocabulary, because that's very important if you really want to this language learn this language. And then you can find out the real meaning of it. So read books. मैं तो यही कहूंगी कि इस टाइम का पूरा 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 यूज करो, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट ईयर अगेन यू विल बी इन 11th, and 11th and 12th you know that करियर का प्रॉब्लम होगा, बहुत सारा कॉम्पिटिशन्स होंगे, 12th बोर्ड का प्रेशर होगा. So this is the year where you can spend a good amount of time for your reading. So please do motivate yourself, because obviously you are not coming to school. So time waste, हाँ ठीक है, मूवी भी देखो. I am also asking, why not? If you have time, National Geographic Channel भी देखो, Animal Kingdom, so many other, there are good things to watch, to collect knowledge. कुछ भी गेम्स भी खेलो in order to refresh your mind. That is important. But एक टाइम बना लो कि yes, मैं half an hour या 1 hour I will read a good book, a good literature. So make it an habit every day out of 24 hours, because nowadays you are not going outside. लोगों से मिलने नहीं जा रहे हैं, फंक्शंस में नहीं जा रहे हैं, पार्टीज में नहीं जा रहे हैं, खेलने नहीं जा रहे हैं. So at least you can do these things. Fine. And then studies तो हैं, online classes करो. I'm disappointed to see the strength of my class. I was expecting that at least 100 participants will be there, but no, 50 भी होते हैं, 52, 50. It's not a good sign. Out of 3 sections, at least I'm expecting कि 80, 90 children को आना चाहिए. But I don't know why they are not coming. So please do online classes attend karo. Okay, so these are the things which you can do. Now I have you have enough idea of Ruskin Bond. Let's move to story. Which story? So I'm just trying to share the screen. थोड़ा सा हिम्मत रखोगे, even if there will be some internet issues, but don't leave the class. Okay. Now, as I told you about Ruskin Bond के बारे में मैंने बता ही दिया थोड़ा बहुत. Last year also you have read his book. He is an Indian author of British descent, and obviously he was born in Kasoli. Then he was sent to boarding school in Mussoorie. After that, he came to Delhi also. So in this manner, he kept on moving and roaming different places. He interacted. He was very fond of reading books. Thereafter, when he was only 16 years old, then he wrote his first story. And then people started remembering. So many other things are there which we can discuss about him. Hey, what is this? मैं एक मिनट ही सिक्योरिटी ऑन कर दूं. 1 minute मैं म्यूट करूं नहीं तो. अमृत गौतम, you don't even realize, तुम लोग रियलाइज भी नहीं करते हो कि यस कैमरा इज ऑन, या फिर कभी तुम्हारा ये माइक स्पीकर ऑन हो जाता है. Okay, so we are going to read a very simple, sweet, soft story. Yeah, I'm calling because there you will not find even a single unknown word in the entire story. It is written in such a simple English. तो सबसे अच्छी बात तो ये हो गई that you are going to enjoy story thoroughly. Okay, and it's about a young boy who makes friend with Anil. Anil trusts him completely and employs him. Does the boy betray his trust? अब ये वही है. This is the story of betrayal. This is the story of trust. This is the story of everything. And you know, in the thief story, we have the theme of lot of you will find out so many emotions. You will find out aspirations, connections, trust, betrayal, friendship, guilt, change of mind, then kindness, honesty, lot of things, बहुत सारे emotions, but you know, not in a complicated manner. The best thing about this story is that all these emotions are presented in a very sweet, simple manner. एक simple story के रूप में present किया गया है. ये नहीं कि बहुत complicate कर दिया गया है सारे characters को. And that is why we have only two important characters, only two characters in the story. One is the thief's story. Obviously, the entire story will revolve around the thief Hari Singh, and then we have Anil. So only two characters we have. So story becomes more simple. In fact, I will suggest you, Khairis Sal to आपको story writing है ही नहीं. Otherwise, I would have suggested you that if you really want to become a writer, you can start writing stories like this. Simple stories, or first person में कर सकते हो. So this story is narrated in the first person. Obviously, कौन है वो? By a young boy whose name is Hari Singh. And then you will find out when you will go through the entire story. If you have read it, then it's okay. Not, then listen carefully. That after reading the story, you, me, anyone, the reader realizes that that Bond may be exploring the theme of aspirations. Because Hari seems to return the money to Anil's mattress for two reasons. The first being that he begins to feel guilty about his actions, and secondly, because he has aspirations to be able to write to become something great in his life. Okay, something that Anil has promised when he decided to teach, Hari. And that also, you will also see that despite having all the negativity in his character, one very important thing you will see about Hari's character, that he knows the value of education. And because of that reason, he decides to come back. So that also you are going to see. Symbolically, everything, the living arrangement, Anil being a trustworthy person. Obviously, you cannot say, I told you that there are so many bad people in this world. हम लोग हमेशा ये कहते हैं बुरे लोग हैं, but no. There are so many good people, and because of them, we all are able to. Nowadays also you can say, see that so many people are there, they are donating, they are devoting their life. Doctors or सिर्फ police inspectors ये सब नहीं है. I have seen unknown, unsung heroes whom you don't know. They have no media coverage. ओके यहाँ पे अगर कोई बहुत बड़ा सेलिब्रिटी कुछ डोनेशन करता है तो पूरा ट्विटर, पूरा सोशल मीडिया में छा जाता है कि यस ही डोनेटेड दिस, ही डोनेटेड दिस. ऑब्वियसली ही इज सोच मल्टी मिलियनर पर्सन. वो अगर थोड़ा सा डोनेट ही कर दिया तो क्या, बट देर आर सो मेनी पीपल हु आर हैविंग अ वेरी लिटिल थिंग इन amount of money, but still they are contributing. So you cannot say. कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, that simple man by bringing a change in life of only simple person. Ma'am, your screen is not visible. Screen is not visible. Tanzil, Tanzil, I think you have some other children. Please let me know. Am I audible? Screen visible? Raise your hands. Children, raise your hands. So am I screen is visible? Okay. Tanzil, please do check your internet connection because तुम्हारा पहले भी problem रहा है. पहले भी तुमने बोला कि हाँ, other children are not complaining बेटा. I think you have तुम्हारे इंटरनेट में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है because other children are not complaining. They are saying screen is also visible and my voice is also audible. Okay. तो देखो अपना इंटरनेट कनेक्शन एक बार चेक करना बेटा. So there are so many people in this world whom you don't know. Yeah, they are not going for any media coverage. या बहुत बड़े, बहुत they are not doing things on a very big platform. बहुत बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म पे वो नहीं कर रहे हैं. But yeah, one thing they are doing, if you are actually helping a simple, मतलब एक one single person in your life, if you are able to bring a change in maybe two people or two persons life, I think that is a great achievement. कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि आप बहुत बड़ा रिवॉल्यूशन लाएं. आप छोटे, मतलब if I'm helping someone who is in a great need and who is directly related to me, okay, that is also good for me. So you will see that how Anil is, he is reposing his trust on a boy, and that boy, he this ओके सॉरी हाँ अनम्यूट हो गया था, सॉरी म्यूट हो गया था. ओके सो व्हेन अनिल डिसाइडेड to give him shelter, then why, what was the reason why Hari he took this decision not to betray him? Not because of the shelter. So many things are there. Emotions, you will see different type of emotion, as I told you in the beginning, that so many things are there which is being presented through a very simple story, बहुत simple language में. And at the end of the story we will be discussing about these two characters. Character assassination हम लोग तब करेंगे कि according to you what Anil did, that was his part of duty, or maybe because he was actually a nice human being. Thereafter we will also see that why there was a sudden change in Hari's life, what was the reason. Okay, so that we will discuss at the end of the story, or maybe simultaneously while going through the story. Now see, I was still, as I told you, first person. I here is obviously for Hari. I was still a thief when I met Anil, and though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. Very nicely, without any tantrum or without any shame, the thief is actually sorry. Oh, sorry. Okay, so he simply says that I was still a thief when I met Anil, and though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. That means I was very good in my job. Successfully, I was doing all the, stealing and all the thievery. That was I was doing. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. He was about 25, a tall, lean fellow, and he looked easygoing. Easygoing means that means one can very easily can be deceived. Deceived ही नहीं है. One can easily one can be you can say easygoing means one who can be easily you can influenced by someone. So Anil was looking like a simple, a common man, एक सच्चा सीधा बंदा, okay, and kind and simple enough for my purpose. For my purpose, what does it mean? That obviously Hari was looking for something very bad, maybe something very naughty, something very mischievous, okay, and that is why he is saying that he was a tall, lean fellow, easygoing, kind, simple enough, who can be easily manipulated. मैनिपुलेशन हो सकता है उसके बाद. Simple enough for my purpose. That means I can easily manipulate him, I can easily convince him, and he is good for my job. I hadn't had much luck of late, and though I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. So he simply, for last so many days, he was not in a, he never get an opportunity to do something or to steal money or to do something illegal. So he says that I was not very lucky for last so many days. So I thought that let me do something so that I may be able to win this young man's confidence. उसका बस यही पर्पस था. That since this man looks very simple, लोग कहते नहीं है सीधे लोगों को लोग बेवकूफ भी इजीली बनाते हैं. So since this man was looking very simple, so he decided that it is better for me to actually trap him, manipulate him, to get into his confidence. And so he moved ahead, he stepped ahead, and he started a very casual conversation. आप किसी अनजान आदमी को मिलते हो तो आप क्या करते हो? अगर आपको मन है कि if you want to befriend him, then you will obviously take a step ahead and you will start a conversation. So he did that. You look a bit of wrestler yourself, I said. A little flattery helps in making friends. Look at this line. Very simple, but actually very thought provoking. A little flattery helps in making friends. You know, we human beings are like that. We love to be flattered. Although we know, all sensible man, or you can say those who are wise man, they very easily realize that, yeah, they are being flattered. कि भाई यहाँ तो बटरिंग हो रहा है. वो जान जाते हैं. Sometimes even I, as a teacher, when children are coming, मुझे पता रहता है कि ये flattering है. So I also, and other people also. But still, I will say this is the weakness of human being, that they love these kind of statement. So he also started the conversation. Although Anil was not very, wrestling, he was not having a body like a wrestler. He was a tall, lean fellow. Very clearly it was written. Dubla patla banda hai, but still he said, "Oh, you look a bit of wrestler yourself." Again, उसने भी same compliment pass on किया. So do you? He replied, which put me off for a moment because at that time I was rather thin. So he also said, "Oh, you also look like." अब अगर ये sarcasm है, then okay, I am also making this remark to you. So Hari did not like it. The boy, the thief, did not like it because at that time he felt that he was rather very thin. Well, I said modestly, I do wrestle a bit, but still he tried to be modest without vanity. थोड़ा arrogance नहीं show किया, obviously. Why he will show the arrogance? It was he who decided to go and start the conversation. So why he will show? इसलिए भी he did not become offensive as well. उसे उतना offensive भी नहीं लगा. And he simply said, yeah, I do wrestle a bit. चलो ठीक है. So he thought that Anil would be a good man. He can be easily manipulated. I will be able to steal things. And because of that, he decided to start a conversation with that flattering words. And obviously, Anil very smartly replied that even you look like a wrestler. Maybe he was offended, but he did not show anything. कोई anger नहीं दिखाया and simply said, yeah, I do a wrestle a bit. Not in the ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं wrestling place पे wrestle करता हूँ, but since I'm in such a profession, मन में वो सोच रहा होगा कि sometimes I have to show my physical strength. Anyway, conversation continued. What's your name? Hari Singh. I lied. I took a new name every month that kept me ahead of the police and my former employers. Now, a conversation hoga, so definitely the very first thing you will ask his name. So Anil asked his name, and then our this narrator, he lied that his name was Hari Singh. Why? Because he used to change his name every month to escape the police and his employees. Because as I told you, he was doing thief story. So the title itself is telling you everything, that he might be stealing things frequently. So definitely he need to run away from police or maybe his ex-employees, his former employers, those who was giving him job, unse bhagna padta tha. So because of that reason, he has to change his identity and specifically his name. After this introduction, Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestlers who were grunting, lifting, and throwing each other about. I didn't have much to say. Okay, Anil walked away. I followed casually. So after this name and everything, they started. Anil talked about that well-oiled wrestlers whom they were actually watching. And then this was who was actually grunting, lifting, that these kind of things were going on and in the ring, and they were actually watching everything. Thereafter, Anil walked away. I followed casually. Now he thought that maybe this conversation will take him somewhere, but Anil thought okay, it's normal conversation. He moved ahead, but he still, Hari was following him. Hello again, he said. I gave him my most appealing smile. Okay, I want to work for you, I said, but I can't pay you. Appealing here means very attractive. Okay, बहुत attractive smile उसको दिया जब आप किसी को please करना चाहते हो, when you want to please someone. So simply, so again he followed him and simply और सीधे उसने बोल दिया, oh, I want to work for you, I said. Very simply, listen, I'm in a great trouble, I want to work for you. Similarly, in the same tone, Anil also did not mix his words. उसने भी अपने वर्ड्स को मिंगल नहीं किया, मिक्स नहीं किया, या कह सकते हो तुम्हें बहुत ही कहते नहीं, पॉलिटिकली करेक्ट नहीं हुआ. Simply he answered him, but I can't pay you. No, I'm sorry, I'm not a rich man. सबसे पहले तो I don't need any subordinate, first of all. And thereafter, even if I need, maybe you will know later on what Anil was doing. But even if but I can't pay you. मुझे जरूरत भी होगी तो, but I don't have money to pay you. So he simply refused. That sorry, I won't be able to pay you. I thought that over for a minute. Perhaps I had misjudged my man. Misjudged means maybe wrong opinion, wrong conclusion. I asked, can you feed me? अब इसे लगा चलो पैसा नहीं मांगूंगा, कम से कम 2 वक्त की रोटी मिल जाए भाई, 2 square meal a day. So maybe he was in such a great trouble at that time. Our our Hari was actually in a great trouble. And food is a requisition. Food के बिना तो you cannot go for a day. So maybe इसे लगा कि maybe I had a wrong, that he is a simple man. But later on he realized that no, maybe chalo theek hai, at least I will ask for one thing, that can you feed me? I don't want anything. I don't want a salary. I don't want anything, but can you feed me? Wow, very smartly. Anil bhi bahut straightforward tha. You can simply call that he was a straightforward man. Usne bhi pucha, can you cook? Very good. Because if you are being very honest, very direct to someone, definitely it's good not to mix words and simply come to the point. Can you cook? I can cook. I lied again, but oh, pathetically, unfortunately, this boy, he lied again. फिर से झूठ बोल गया. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. Yeah, that's okay. भाई आप ये जमाना ऐसा थोड़ी है कि I will just, and actually he was not a very rich man. Later on you all will realize. So he simply said कि okay fine, you come with me. If you can cook, I will also feed you, because obviously Anil had not a lot of money. So this was the adjustment, mutual adjustment made between the two. He took me to his room over the Jamuna sweet shop, and told me I could sleep on the balcony. Now again, ye to blessing ho gayi. If he can, he will get not only 2 meals a day, but also a place to sleep. He will get a shelter also. So he said, ki, okay, cook the meal at night and sleep over there. This is a place for you. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible, because Anil gave it to the stray dog and told me to be off. And obviously, he has already lied that he can cook. So he took him there. He prepared the meal, but the meal that he cooked definitely was terrible, because Anil was unable to eat it. And he offered that entire food to stray dogs. गली के कुत्तों को दे दिया भाई कि ले जाओ. I think they would have also refused. And not only that, but also he asked him to move on. कि चलो, to be off. Early morning, please leave this place. But I just hung around. But he was so stubborn at that time. Hari needed a shelter only. But okay, so hung around, smiling in my most appealing way, and he couldn't help laughing. So again, he was trying to trap him, emotionally blackmail him. He did not go, although he asked him to move away, because you lied. You lied that you can cook, although you cannot. But the way he smiled, the narrator, his smile was so attractive that the simple man, Anil, who was actually a very simple hearted man, a kind hearted man, he couldn't help laughing. He kept on laughing. Anyway, later he patted me on the head and said, never mind, he would teach me to cook. He also teach me to write. That is more interesting thing, that not only he asked him to stay there, he also asked him that he will teach him cooking also, and thereafter his name, and he will teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers. I was grateful. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. Now, this is the line. Although we have seen till now all the negative thing in Hari's character, but only this line had changed the mindset of readers. No, don't you think so? That in this single line, this single statement, this single thought of Hari has compelled readers to change our mindset. So finally, Anil decided that he patted his head, offered him ki, first of all, I will teach you how to cook. Thereafter, I will teach you to how to write your name. And not only this, I will also explain you to write sentence and add numbers. Obviously, who the hell will not be grateful? Hari was grateful, whatever Anil had planned for him. And he was knowing importance of education. Once he will become an educated man, there will be no limit to what he could achieve. So this single statement actually was, it gave you one glimmer of animation, you can say one sparkle about this man. एक कहते नहीं है, एक पॉजिटिविटी लग रही है उसके कैरेक्टर में कि despite having all the negative things in his character, this one line can help you to think to change your mindset as a reader, and it is giving us a little hope that this man really, or basically he was a boy basically, so this boy is there is something good about him also. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies. usually making a profit of about ₹1 a day. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. So now they started living together. Everything was going well. Obviously, he was making tea for him in morning, and then he used to go out to buy some groceries. Huh? Groceries लाने जाता था, where he was actually making 1 rupee, one single rupee, which was actually an amount in those days, and 1 rupee in his pocket every day for the money that obviously Anil was giving him for groceries. He feels, he think that Anil knew that he took a rupee every day, but he did not mind. Basically, he was fine with it. Maybe Anil might be thinking that I'm not paying this boy, so it's okay. At least he also needed a little bit of pocket money. So in this manner, things were going on well. Anil made money by fits and starts. Fits and starts, you know? कौन बताएगा? By different things, not working on something consistently, different, mode of, you can say, job. He would borrow 1 week, lend the next. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. It seems he wrote for magazines, a queer way to make a living. Queer, you know, strange. Now, Anil did not have any regular income. He was not in a job. He was not getting a regular salary. Okay, so he was doing different activities. He did not have obviously fixed job, and that is why Hari feels that Anil used to be worried for his paychecks all the time when the check will come. But as soon as he was receiving the check, as soon as he was getting his check, he was going out celebrating with his friends. You know what was his habit? He was borrowing some money from his friends. Whenever he was getting his paycheck, he was obviously lending the money also. In this manner, his life was going on since he was not in a regular job. Okay. And then very funny thing he's saying, Hari ka suno ek bada strange hai. It seems he wrote for magazines, a queer way to make a living. It seems he wrote for, and maybe then one day Hari assumed, what is he doing? From where he is at least this getting his paychecks? And thereafter he came to know that, oh, he's a writer and he's writing for magazines. And you know what was his comment? A queer way to make a living, a strange way to make a living. You know, nowadays also writers, poets, novelists, they are not considered that they are doing something or they are in